Google has done it again, leaked its own product. This time, it's the highly anticipated Pixel 10 series. We've seen plenty of unofficial leaks and renders in recent weeks, but now, thanks to a slip-up inside the Google Play Store app, we have the very first official image of the entire Pixel 10 lineup. Yes, that's right, instead of trying to fight the never-ending wave of leaks, it seems Google has decided to just embrace the chaos. A promotional banner was spotted inside the Google Play Store app by Android Authority. The banner clearly shows all the Pixel 10 models and even mentions that they are now available with a $50 discount valid until October 13th. Of course, the phones haven't been officially launched yet, so this seems to be a premature release of marketing material. This accidental reveal is a big one because it's the first time we're seeing an official group image of all the Pixel 10 devices. The banner includes the regular Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the new Pixel 10 Pro Fold. That's a full lineup covering everything from compact to foldable smartphones. In the image, the 3 Pro models appear in a somewhat muted color, which lines up with earlier rumors about a new shade called Moonstone. This color is supposed to have a subtle blue tint, although it still looks a bit dull to some, thankfully. The base Pixel 10 brings a splash of boldness with a deeper indigo blue option, which might appeal to those looking for something more vibrant. This isn't the first time Google has revealed one of its devices early. The company has a long history of showcasing its upcoming products ahead of launch, sometimes even months in advance, especially when leaks are everywhere online. Earlier, we saw a teaser of the Pixel 10 Pro on the official Google Store, with both a short video and an image hinting at the Moonstone finish. These repeated early reveals suggest that Google is fully leaning into the leak culture. When information is already out there, why not just confirm it and build some buzz? The leaked banner also gives us a subtle hint about the possible pricing strategy. A $50 launch discount could indicate that Google is trying to stay competitive, especially with strong rivals like Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 right around the corner. Google likely knows that it needs to offer both smart design and smart pricing if it wants to grab market share from the giants. Now, let's talk about the different models briefly. Well, the standard Pixel 10 is expected to cater to everyday users with solid specs and a lower price point. The Pro versions are designed for power users. The Pixel 10 Pro XL offers a larger screen for those who prefer a more immersive experience, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold adds something totally new to the lineup: Google's foldable phone, which is likely to compete with the Galaxy Z Fold series. Color options might not be the most exciting aspect of a phone launch, but they still matter. According to leaks, the Pixel 10 Pro series will be available in Obsidian, Porcelain, Moonstone, and Jade. While Obsidian and Porcelain are classic and safe, Jade brings a refreshing touch, and Moonstone remains a curious new addition so far. Indigo on the base Pixel 10 is the only color that really stands out, especially for those who want something unique. But the Pixel 10 phones might not be the only stars of Google's August 20th event. There are strong rumors that the company will also introduce the Pixel Watch 4, which has already surfaced in some leaked renders. We might also see a new version of Pixel Buds, possibly named Pixel Buds 2a, and a new wireless charging device. That said, details about these additional products are still limited. Google has been much more careful about keeping those under wraps. Still, with the launch event so close, we won't have to wait long to get all the official details. So, what does all this mean? Google is preparing for a major showdown. With the Pixel 10 series, it's not just releasing a phone, it's entering a competitive space filled with high expectations. Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's iPhone 17 are going to be tough rivals, and Google knows it. That's why it's important for the Pixel 10 series to stand out in terms of design, features, and value. Overall, the early leak from Google itself has given us a good look at what's coming. Even though I'm a little disappointed by the color choices, especially for the Pro models, I'm still excited to see the official launch. With for Pixel 10 models, possibly a new watch, earbuds, and charger, the August 20th made by Google event is shaping up to be one of the biggest tech reveals of the year. If you're a fan of Google's devices, this is definitely something to look forward to. And if you're thinking of upgrading your phone soon, the Pixel 10 series might just be worth the wait.